logistics is at a bottleneck. Parcel costs are rising, the demand for quicker, faster, cheaper parcels are also rising, and traditional methods can't keep up with the demand. Logistics have about 10% of total global emissions, and so it's absolutely fundamental that we address this issue. Hi, my name's David Marjo. I'm the CEO of Inteliports. Inteliports is a UK company. We're building aerial drone delivery networks with fully autonomous drones and drone ports. Our uniqueness is in the automation. We automate the mission end to end. So that's the charging, the storing and the deployment of the drone, as well as all of the parcel management. EIT Urban Mobility has given us the opportunity to deploy all of our systems on the Isle of Wight to allow us to create our flight trials between the mainland and the island.
The challenge that we are looking at is reducing the island's sole reliance on ferry transfers. This is extremely slow, extremely carbon intensive, and brings huge pressures to businesses here on the island, as well as the mainland who are looking to supply the island. Inteliports is a heavy lift solution. We carry an absolutely massive 20 kilos of goods, and it's our autonomous drone ports, the network of ports that unlocks unlimited range. We're demonstrating we can move goods from the mainland to the island with 8 times less cost than traditional modes. With drones, we're talking about delivery services that can be almost 10 times faster than what we have today. Our drones, all the way from the craft, all the way down to the drone ports, are fully electric across the board. With this solution, we are rethinking not only the way that our cities are supplied, but also those overlooked communities like the Isle of Wight here today. We are now ready to move on to flying missions from the mainland to the island, which marks a huge milestone in the drone sector in the UK.
Advanced air mobility is revolutionising how cities are supplied. It's paving the way forward for clean logistics through our skies.